Russian armed forces reported the Ukrainian army's desertions. More than 70% of the battalion left their post and departed for Konotop, Sumy region, where they were disarmed and declared deserters. The 21st Battalion of 56th Motorized Rifle Brigade, which suffered significant losses near Persky, came under artillery fire from the armed forces of Ukraine during the retreat to Vodiny and was almost completely destroyed. Militaries in Ukraine continue to carry out operational, tactical, and army aviation against military facilities, while missiles and artillery fire continue against targets in the country. 5 command posts were hit, including the 36th Brigade near Nikolaev and the 92nd Motorized Rifle Brigade near Tyrskuni, Kharkiv region, as well as 146 areas of concentration and manpower military equipment of the armed forces of Ukraine. 7 ammunition depots were destroyed near Artemovsk, Konstantinovka, Oshertino in Donetsk People Republic, and Trudov in Zaporozhye and Mykolaiv region. During the counter-battery fight, 2 artillery batteries of giant howitzers were shot down in the area of Zherzhint, Novgorod, Donetsk People Republic. 4 platoons of multiple rocket launcher system GRAD and 9 artillery platoons at firing position in the areas of Sevensk, Kirovo, Artemovsk, Adievka, Sens, Orlovka, Miners, Velyevka, Novoleska in Donetsk People Republic, Dobropolye in Zaporozhye region, Shirokoye, Beresneve in Nikolaev region, Russian Lozovaya and Norsovka in Kharkov region. Russian air defense has shot down 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Moskolevka, Petropavlovka, Kopanki, Volkov Yar in Kharkov region, and Sargivka in Kherson region. 2 shells from the Uragan multiple rocket launcher have been intercepted near Kherson. Russia reported the enemy loses 261 Ukrainian aircraft and 145 helicopters, 1,664 unmanned aerial vehicles, 361 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,225 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 782 multiple rocket launcher systems, 3,240 field artillery motors, and 4,655 vehicles destroyed during the Special Forces operation. Ukrainian authority also report the enemy losses until day 161. There are 223 Russian aircraft, 191 helicopters, and 1,774 tanks and anti-aircraft welfare system, 259 multiple rocket launcher system, 2,922 vehicles fuel tanks, 740 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 180 cruise missiles struck.